In this video, we're going to go over our enterprise domain branding. To get here, simply click on the three lines that are next to your profile picture, choose the enterprise settings, come over here to the branding tab, and then choose enterprise domain. You may or may not already have a domain that you're using, and if you do, that's great. The only thing we're going to do is add a subdomain to that branding so that employees have their own URL to log into. In this case, our domain is genericleads.com. Now, if I want to brand my enterprise domain to something else, I would just type in the HTTPS enterprise. I'm going to use the subdomain enterprise dot genericleads.com, and then I'm going to click on Add Domain. You'll notice that has now changed the domain that the employees will use to log into their accounts. Once you do this, you're also going to need to add an A record to your DNS settings. Whether you're using Cloudflare or your hosting provider, it works in pretty much the same way. Come over here to your DNS settings, add an A record, type in the subdomain you wish to use. In our case, we used enterprise, and then you're going to want to point it to the IP address shown here. Anytime you brand a domain within the system, you're going to use the same IP address of 72.52.238.71. Simply add your record, and your URL will be ready for your employees to log into.